What's up, guys? Welcome to the new studio. It is in shambles right now because we are replacing our lighting, and I want to show you guys what it's all about. So up here, we've literally got open ceiling floor plan kind of style here where we're changing out the old fluorescent lights. Fluorescent lights are not very good. They were really warm, and we want to get a nicer color temperature in here, which is called a Kelvin scale. We're gonna bring it up to like the 4,000, 5,000 range to make it a lot crisper, and it's gonna look freaking awesome. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here, this is our esports streaming area, right? And these are really modern, super affordable LED lights. Look how thin that is. Isn't that crazy? That replaces the massive old style fluorescent tube lights. They last forever, and the color temperature is really great. It's very crisp. If you look up here, this is what they used to look like, right? So this is the old style fluorescent tubes. They go out and they flicker sometimes, and they're not great to color match with cameras. So what we're gonna do today is show you what we're up to. These are the new ones up here. So these are super crisp, really nice light here. They're about 4,000, 5,000 lumens, and the color temperature is 4,500. Now, what is color temperature? So I want to show this to you here because it'll really give you a good example. So see the CCT here, that's the color temperature. And it goes, this specific light, which is a Dracast LED light, goes from 3,200K up to 5,600K. So that is the color temperature. This is really warm, this is really blue and kind of closer to daylight. So if we flip this around, you'll be able to see, right now this is as warm as it gets, so 3,200 Kelvin. As we move it, they mix in the blue lights and then they get rid of the red lights, so it's a much bluer, crisper kind of daylight level light. So that's that Kelvin scale there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be somewhere in the middle, somewhere in the neighborhood of basically around 4,000, 4,500. You can see here like 4,500, and then once we know exactly what the LED lighting in our room is, we can actually set the white balance of our PTZ Optics cameras so that they match perfectly, and we can white balance everything. So we're going through here and replacing all the old ones. We're putting in new LED lights here, and if we spin around, here is some of the cameras that we're going to be using. And again, these PTZ Optics cameras, we just go ahead and set the white balance to exactly what we want. I'll finally spin you around over here. There was really just some old fluorescent lights up here, so we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 crisp LED lights here, and then we'll also still use front light, but it's really gonna make the whole studio here, you'll see this in just a moment, totally lit up with brand new LED lights. So if you're thinking about doing a new studio, think about lighting and think about the light that's coming down, and then maybe putting in 1 or 2 lights that can light your talent. Let's take a look at it with it installed. All right, here it is installed. We have decided to do 3 LED 2x4 tiles in the ceiling. I can basically touch it, and these are not too high up, so they provide a lot of great, really well dispersed light over our main presentation space. Now, we always still use front lights to light up our face, and we're actually going to be putting in a backlight. But as you can see, the lighting in here is so much better than it was before with the fluorescent lights. Got rid of all of those and put in some nice, crisp LED lights for our new studio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you're using for lighting in your studio.